Okay, 0 controlling area setting, LAP 9. Okay, mistake. OKKS, T55. T55. Okay, this is done. Settings for each fiscal year. Actually, okay. Copying allowed. Okay. Double click. Okay. Exchange rate will be P for cost planning, integrate planning, and real estate objects. Okay. Version log, integrate planning, all okay. Okay. General version 0. Settings for profit center, online transfer. Okay, fine. Okay, that is okay. Now comes material ledger, assign currency types, T55. Okay, material ledger. Okay, assign material ledger to valuation area. Valuation area is plant. T55. T55, it is active. Okay, activate valuation areas for material ledger. Activate. T55. Okay, material ledger is active. Now, let's go to MM01, industry sector mechanical engineering. Material type is raw. Select views, basic data, purchasing. Okay. Organization levels, plant is T55. Enter, must be set productive. Okay. CK. Okay. This is the transaction CKM start. I think we have missed it somehow. We might have. Okay. CKM start. Next session. Plant T55. Test run. Exchange rate type. Okay, fine. Execute. Confirm. output device LP01. Okay, continue scheduled. Okay, SM35. Let's see first. SM35. No, SM37. Jobs scheduled. Execute. Production startup. Okay, it is done. Execute. Okay, fine. Now we can create basic data, purchasing. E55. Okay, now we have a material. Let's say 300 meter B5 cabling. Meter. Meter. Material group. Material group can be categorized. Material group can be categorized into various segments. Okay. Uh, let's say raw material, packaging raws. Let's say we'll take this for this PK raw. Okay. Basic data. Okay. Purchasing. Order unit will be M. No, it will be in ordering unit will be different because cables cannot be purchased. So it will be per carton per bag. Uh, crate, carton, carton. Ordering unit, cartons. Purchasing group, Okay, purchasing group. It's okay. We're just taking any random right now. Okay. GR process tank critical source list, very important because we are going to create source list after we are done with material master. Automatic PO, yes, okay. Plant data storage. Okay. Enter the factor for converting the alternative unit to base unit. Okay. One carton will have, let's say, 300 meters. This is for issue. Purchasing, variable ordering unit. Okay. Purchasing is done. Plant data storage. Unit of issue, meter. Okay, plant data storage. Foot, unit of issue in base unit of measure is meters. Unit of issue will be feet. Plant data storage. Okay, weight unit. Okay, this can be left. Negative stocks, no need for that. Stock determination group. Profit center, yes, very important. If you have, we'll take it later on. But first create a, okay, valuation class. 3000 is raw material. Now, what is valuation class? On valuation class, we create GL accounts and integrate it. Okay. Standard price AED. Standard price is 112. Okay. Tax price. Okay, fine. And let's save it. Material has been created.